I'm Todd Brandon and welcome to 331 Agnes Street. Having personally lived in this pocket of Rockhampton for over a decade, I can vouch for the location, but this home is spectacular. Come with us, let's show you around. The owners have done a wonderful job turning this house into a home. When you consider the light-filled spaces that are breezy and open, and they show off the indoor and outdoor spaces that you have. But what I love most is looking out these windows and seeing the beautiful gardens and green trees. .331 Agnes Street is a home that just does it. It's a gorgeous block of land with gardens that create privacy, a great entertaining space with a swimming pool and this outdoor area, a country kitchen and a brand new bathroom. If we can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.